Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to embed your agents into a Weebly website. This is a fantastic way to integrate chatbots, AI assistants, or any custom agent functionality directly into your site, making it more interactive and functional for your visitors. Let's dive right in and get this set up. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your websites. Look at the left-hand menu, and you'll see an option labeled Website. Click on it, and underneath, you'll find Edit Site. Click that to proceed. Now you'll see a list of all the websites you've created with Weebly. Choose the specific website where you want to embed your agent. Once you've selected it, look over to the right side of the screen and click the Edit button. This will open up the website editor where you can make changes to your site's design and functionality. Before we move forward, make sure you already have the embedded code for your agent ready. This is crucial because without the code, you won't be able to complete the integration. If you've already got your embedded code prepared, we're good to continue. Once you're in the editor, make sure you're on the Build tab at the top menu. This is where you'll find all the tools and elements you can add to your site. On the left side menu, scroll through and find the embed code element. If you're having trouble locating it, simply click Show All Elements to expand the full list of available options. Once you've found the embed code element, simply drag it onto your website where you want the agent to appear. This could be in a sidebar, at the bottom of a page, or anywhere that makes sense for your site's layout. After you've placed it, click on the element and then click Edit Custom HTML. This will open a text box where you can paste your code. Now paste your embedded code for your agent into this box. Make sure the code is complete and correctly formatted. And that's it. You've successfully embedded your agent into your Weebly website. Your visitors will now be able to interact with the agent directly on your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.